Hello and welcome to the Happy, Healthy, Strong podcast. This is a podcast dedicated to helping you live a happier, healthier, and stronger life. Building a life that you love starts with you owning your health and intentionally creating the best version of yourself. So if you're looking to better understand how proper nutrition, daily movement, mindset work, and strength training can help you create a life full of happiness and health, then you are in the right place. I generally hope that the tips, tricks, and information that we share will be the catalyst for change. I'm your host, Adam Lane. It's time to dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Happy, Healthy, Strong podcast. I'm your host, Adam Lane. With me today, Coach Sam Libby again.
Hey.
Sam, thanks for coming back on the show. Sam, short episode today, exciting episode today, because we have not a big adjustment, but made a little pivot within Oak here.
Yep.
For the first time in now almost 14 years, we'll be 14 years old on July 31st. We'll have a party. I don't know. I'm not good with parties. Anyway, but in the first time in 14, we are classless. We have no more classes. Everything here at Oak is personalized and dedicated to that person, adult, kid, whatever we're looking at here.
Yep.
So we have found that painting with broad strokes.
Yeah, it's a good concept, but sometimes there's clients and customers that don't fit quite that bill, or when they come on Monday and it's a different workout schedule for Wednesday, maybe that shouldn't be their progress plan that they go with. So yeah, going to the personal programming, I think it's going to add a little bit more structure to how the like an 8-week plan works out for the customer. And I think it's going to be a lot better for people.
Yeah. It was funny listening to people chatter yesterday in the way of they used to look at the app and like, Oh, I don't want to come on that day.
Yep.
There's blank movement on that day. I don't want to do that. Uh-huh. And sometimes they look at that movement and be like, maybe they shouldn't do that. Maybe that's a bad movement for them.
Correct. Yep.
Or maybe they're being a baby and they need that movement, or maybe at least a progression to that movement.
Yes.
Like we don't want to hurt people with it, but just to avoid it altogether.
Yeah. We don't want to shy away from things that we need.
Yes.
Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, this definitely with as far as our injuries and different people's needs and personalized programming, like I think this is the best way to go. We've done it this full week. I think people are liking it. I know it's going to be a little bit of switch, like culturally, socially, especially with our morning class. I know the social part of it was a big thing, but people are still chatting. People are still talking. Yeah. So I think it's going to be good.
Yes. Because you want the social piece.
Yes.
It's just, you might not be doing the same thing as the person next to you because
might not need that.
You're 47 and the person next to you is 27. And maybe you and Luke Littlefield shouldn't be doing the same thing.
Yep. 100% agree.
Because he's that much younger. And when I think it's interesting if you look at the group stuff in the area. Like we just had Orange Theory shut down. Orange Theory is this huge franchise. They have a solid business model. I'm not saying it's ideal training, but the model is great. They get people in and they shut down. This whole group class thing.
I think when people are trying to invest in themselves, they want something that's really going to work for them. Yeah. And I think that this is a better way to go about it. But yeah, as far as like Orange Theory and those
Sam, you summarized that beautifully right there. That was awesome.
But yeah, I mean, as far as like when you come in a plan and say, we can't plan a day. We don't know when people are coming in. Yeah. I mean, some people come Monday, Tuesday. Some people come Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Some people come third. So when we're structuring these plans, it's better if I can guide them down a path to where, okay, today we're focusing on this here. Next time you come in, whether that be on any day, it's going to be structured in a different way to work a little bit different part of the body. And then the next day is following. It depends on how often they come a week. So I've got different plans for people that come 2 days a week, different plans that come people 3 days a week. So just the structure of it's going to be more inclined to reaching people's goals. And that's the number one thing we're trying to work for here. Yeah.
It's frustrating to see because if you don't do that, and this is the sad thing, but we've seen within some of the class stuff for years, Sam, and it took me forever in which to really identify that, like, hey, sometimes we're not getting better. And people are just like going through the motions and they're not getting the change that they're looking for. They're not getting stronger. They're not gaining muscle. They're not feeling better. They're just they're just beating themselves up. And it's probably the community that keeps them coming back, which is amazing. But man, now we have the opportunity, especially with the way we're structured and set up and stuff like that and whatnot, to be able to meet these people where they're at. Again, doesn't matter your age.
Yeah. Yep. That's another thing. It's super flexible to all ages now. Yeah. I mean, I can create everything for them, whether they're, like you said, 25 or 65. Yeah. So, yeah, which is fantastic. Because again, I keep bringing up Luke. Strong 20-something Luke Littlefield can back squat heavy and do the hard things and And if you're
older, maybe we don't load your spine. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. Depends the person.
Yep.
Depends the day. Maybe we work up to that.
Yeah, more stability work, more things. Yeah.
Yep. All the things. Mm-hmm. And so things are so far so good.
I think they're going well.
There we go.
Yep.
There you go. Send all your compliance to.
Yes, that's another. Passing it off to Adam.
To Matt at oakstrength.com. Just send it all to Matt. He'll field all the questions.
That's hilarious.
No, Sam, I'm excited for this. I really feel like we're like, I think I've always felt like this, but I think I feel even more convicted now that we are doing what's right by the member. Like it's in the service-based thing where there's so many variables into play, like we can work them out, but they're only here 2 or 3 days a week. There's 60 some hours in the week.
Yep. If
they sleep poorly, don't manage their stress well, eat like trash, the 2 or 3 hours that we see them will not save them in any way, shape or form. But man, if we can do the right things to make them feel better, move better.
And that's another good part about this is I can adjust on the fly. If someone comes in and they're like, man, my back's killing me today. And the plan can be adjusted instantly for them, which I like. Yep. Instead of just going off, okay, well, let me modify this portion of the workout. Let me change it a little bit. Let's just go. I'll create a whole different plan for you today.
Yeah. So listeners, no excuses. You have no excuses. That's what that is right there. That was funny. Jake said something yesterday to that extent. He's like, I can't hide anymore, or whatever it is, because literally, if you're a little off your A game, you didn't sleep well. There's stress in your life. Whatever. Your kids kept you up late. You only have a half hour.
Yeah, we can work with them.
Let's make some adjustments on the fly. We'd rather get you a little of something than nothing at all. I can't work out for a while. That's fine. Who cares? We'll do part of it. We'll get you anyway. We don't want to kill you.
No.
Because you're already stressed out and beat up. Let's give you what you need. Get you on your way. Get some rest. Let's recover. There's always another day.
Yep.
There's the next workout. There you go. Sam, this is exciting. I'm excited for what you're doing because I think you're absolutely crushing it. Matt's been doing a program like this for a while. He's been crushing it. It's been great, again, for older people, our youth athletes. It just works for everyone involved. Again, it's funny how different people are. Like we're not the same.
Yeah.
And just this
stuff to fit that all into one program.
Yes.
Kind of thing.
Yes. And obviously we're still very strength based. Multiplanal, you people, our adults today, doing rotation stuff, which we love them, but they're terrible at. And they need it because I don't want them just being able to have good deadlift form and then they go out and shovel snow and blow their back out.
Yeah, you can't just work in one plane the whole time.
Yes, which is what a lot of like your group class ends up falling into. And, now with this, you're able to, frontal, sagittal, rotational, transverse, you're doing it all. And no, I'm excited for the coming months to see our people and all the good that comes from it. And listeners, no excuse. It'll be good. You can't skip a day.
Can't skip a day. Or let me know if you're going to.
Yeah. At least communicate. That'll be good. Sam, thank you.
Cool. Nice and quick.
Yeah, nice and quick. That's how we roll this. Listeners, thanks for listening. We'll catch you on the next one. That's all we have for you today. If you have any questions or want to chat or interested in seeing what we're up to in between episodes, head over to Instagram and Facebook and follow @OakStrength. Also check us out at oakstrength.com. If you like this episode, please share it with someone who wants to live happy, healthy, and strong. If you really liked it, subscribe and review the Happy, Healthy, Strong podcast on iTunes or Spotify. Be sure to tune back in next week and remember to keep owning your health.